sai kam ke claim kedam aputhak mai kangni Sahitya Academy Ben Kibi National Level Seminar along Karbi Ajutang Kangdir. Difu Civil Hospital along Somindar Adang Pharmacist Arni Katalon. Kardom Nili Karbi Berta Thanbang Samidurmi BP. Nonarjik tha Berta Angton Pen. Ingnam Raikom Mate Forest Sai Campaign ke claim kedam kichun che puthak. Chiti inquiry pho Arni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along isi krungsai amai padupon. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council asiyem tuliram rong hang chupahem pho amai along Forest Sai Campaign kachin thuramo ke claim kichun che lapen akimi kam ke deng ponji alam hai hui mai along kaching YRD pidam. Mai along Principal Secretary Joyshri Dolagapu, Secretary Nirola Phangchupi Ben Chenglok Forest Sai Kam Sai Phuatum Chetongdun. Karbi Lamat Amai, Sahitya Academy, Lapen Karbi along Autonomous Council Atum Pendifu Farmers Growth Center along Kepadu National Level Seminar along Karbi Jutang Aputhak Kangdiramai Pado. Karbi Folktales and their forms, Karbi Folklore and their tradition. Laso Tepi Aputhak Hindi Alam Alamet Pomate, Difu Golf College a Principal Barim UB Pandey, Dongkamukam Rangsana College at Hanbangpi Kache Teronpi, Dokmuka Thongnokbe College at Hanbangpi Serdihun Teronpi, Lametpo Hangmiji Hanse, Difu Golf College at Hanbangpi Kabin Teronpi, Arisangho Sermili Teronpi Atum Karbi Ajutang Keplang Pialam Highway Pajermidam. Karbi Soar Loangbong Hindi Alamet Kaboche Pen Doctorate Kelong Cheng Abangpi Dr. Theso Kropisi Jutang Kangdir Amai Charisi RDP Pon. Assam Pharmacist Service Association Karbi Anglong District Branch Ahinpen Chepatir P Ponsi Chitinipai Inkoira Pho Arni Anarlo Porpai Isi Pen Difu Civil Hospital along Somindar Adang Pharmacist Arni Talondun. Kedam dang suruhini da krehini Chitinipai Inkoira Pho Arni World Health Organization Ahut International Pharmacist Federation Ahinpen Kiparai Pon Ateng Pen Pirthia Dang Alongta Pharmacist Arani Talon Pon Nangchi Pura Pachik Ponlo Laso Ateng Pen Chitinipai Inkoira Pho Arni DCH along Satame Talondun APSA KB Amai Phu Khoya Singh Hanse Pachipahem Phupon Amai along Maike Pho Alamte APSA KB Kongchun Bang Khor Singh Rongphar Than Pachini Pon Sayang Deng Ateng Pen Dr. Koilan Bora Ahin Pen Kek Ing Than Pon Lapen Mayalong Dr. SK Borthakur Ta Chetongdun Si Ning Arong Chepidun Non Malam So Poraphan Dihina Pharman Birta Mointon Ponik Senang SMV Motors. All types of hero bikes and scooty as well as self-service, accessories and spare parts are available here. 3,000 off on scooty and 1,500 off on bike only for Golf employees. For any purpose, you can contact Kunal Kumar Gupta 9678498550, Manadas 9085973443, Ranjit Singh 9613731109. And also HDFC Finance available here. For finance, contact 9613731109. SMV Motors, Rongkhalan, opposite of DIG Bungalow, Karbi Anglong Difu, Manta Road, 782460.
और अभी एक और भूकंप 7.4 की तीव्रता का
Wait lagi. Ahiring tangrak anlo. Ong dunga tuma pran kedam ta du uta haipo.
Nonjong itong geham kim je phansi ji tham bom lo. Nang ki pray to duk lo.
Nilita hemgimi kim bomlo. Sita lahayala ben asapta nili mathate. Athema nili hemalon extra kipidundo. Athe nili hemgi kimalonge tata discount SD bar pensi kimponlo.
Tata Tiscon SD Extra Safe Bar lagi texer a technical atum pensi Mesena Factory along Selampon lo. Lasi Tata Tiscon SD Bar ke kaita extra safe lo.
Langpi Dehangi Rural Bank welcomes you to own your new Royal Enfield, built for all roads, built for no roads. Dealer Ishan Motors, Ward number 2 near CCI Limited, Bokazan Dimapur Road, NH39, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For service 7896169017. For sales 7896169021. Email ishanmotors@gmail.com. Easy loan from Langpi Tehangi Rural Bank. Banker to Hills people of Assam. Financer, Langpi Tehangi Rural Bank offers two-wheeler loan. Low EMI, finance up to 80%, longer repayment period. Contact your nearest branch for more details. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center. Facilities available. List of haircut, hair treatment, hair oiling, henna, straightening, hair perming. Full body spa, coloring, waxing, manicure and pedicure, party makeup. List of facial, signature galvanic facial, signature Orledas facial, gold, pearl, diamond facial, fruits facial, cleanup, normal facial, and bleach. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center, KST Road, near Aturkimi Outlet, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Banalata Chaudhary Deka, 9435539500.
বৰ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ গোন্ধ আহি আছে যে জুটি লগা আসলতে ইয়াৰ আৰত কি আছে
ইয়াৰ আৰত আছে কাঞ্চ সৰিয়হৰ তেল স্বাস্থ্যসন্মত বিশুদ্ধ
আৰু সোৱাদযুক্ত
Aturkimi Outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ
Kanj. Assam Hills Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesire alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola upthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji. Dihinamo piputot bertalong wangtulo. Chitinipay inkoirapli Arni kang samporpay po porpen difu marwari viva bhavan along RSS atum maikangni. Dhonsing teron pen kachari pon amay along aluhiaman pen kachatongdun RSS klembang bokhisto bujor borwa haurakat RSS klembang nareshwar sodikai lapen kachatongdun Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Roton teron Raju Tiso Pen Chenglok, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council MAC Lapen Difu RSS Klem Kedamatum Chatongdun. Mayalong Bokhisto Bujor Borwa Lamte ke Jai Ponke, Hindu Pukachi Puchot ke Hindu Ahok Pet Kali, Mithangalam Aki, Pindeng Sumpot, Nimrokom, Karkli Kaphejo Pen Chenglok, Hindu Atum Kopi PC Kenang Sot ke Klem Kedam Nang Anke, Chitene Nangne. Mithang alamaki pindeng sumpot hai huijong si kachitene lote Hindu pukachipuke aleavelo lapen Karbi Garo Dimasa khai so pen chenglok ke India asuke kevir deji angring thepik pusi mayalong lamthe jaipon West Karbi Anglong District Baithalangso ahawar along ta det pi along kapangthera sayamo ke dengpon mate swachhata hi seva pothepi dengpon si Swachh Bharat Abhiyan asayamo E20BN CRPF Lengri along Bohake Doa Tumpen Chapatir P.C. Baithalangso Primary Health Community Asai Hem along Kapangthera Sai Amo Dengpon.
Lapen Bangso Asai long Baithalangso Medical Sub Center atumta claim dun pen RDP dun rentilo. Amparta CRPF atum Baithalangso ahiti along anta Kepangthera Asai Dengpon lo. Pinpur me Lapusona Sai Kidamtang Congress Sorkar Kichari Bomahut Hekdun Long Lelang. Lapen Baithalangso Aratta Hekdun Long Lelang. Bonta non BJP Sorkar kidopen ajok radatum solangdo atum angbong saphai abhiyan kethekdun longpen ningarong chipi rentilo lapen kepangthir et ahavar kepaman thekji amparta kadokawe chirap seroi jiaphan kat news ahin penta tuning ri ponlo baithalang sopen jesoning hi report kat news
Pinia berita bangkala pon se kangton iglo lang ing bam thakat news channel domi thakme kurwang thu